Patrick, how are we looking?
Can you hear me, Captain? Captain! Captain! Sorry, Captain. We're looking good. Just doing our final checks.
Great. Show me.
Yes, Captain. Let's bring up the screens.
Every household's nearly toy show ready.
Perfect. Show me Carlo.
They seem ready.
Cork.
Check.
Okay, what about London?
Check.
Sydney?
Ready.
Looks like we're all covered. Anywhere else?
Mars? Huh? Check.
Check.
We're looking good, Captain. All checks complete.
You better get down there, Patrick.
Beat me down, Shamey. Okay. This doesn't look like Dublin. The show's about to start, guys. Come on. Is this Venus or Wexford?